I am the one thing no one can live without, be they rich or poor or young or old or living anywhere under the sun. I cover 70% of our planet. Yet for 748 million people, I'm still hard to find. I am essential to life, yet far too often, I end it. I am water.
Welcome to another interesting and innovative video where our team is going to discuss and ideate on the problem of access to safe drinking water. This video also involves the thought process of the entire team to converge on a solution that is well suited and is also feasible. But before you go further ahead into the video, I would like to elaborate 3 simple things that make up the core of this entire video. The first and the foremost one is our intention, which is to arrive at the best possible solution for each and every individual. Then we have desired outcomes, where we hope to find enough solutions keeping in mind the barriers and problems faced by each of our stakeholders. The last one is agenda, that includes our brainstorming sessions and voting to arrive at the most feasible idea with mutual consensus.
Ideation. As the word indicates, it is a creative process of forming new ideas from conception to implementation. The main aim of this ideation session was to uncover and explore new angles and let each and every member think outside the box. At this stage, the focus is on quantity of ideas rather than the quality. It is the key transitional step as it helps to stumble upon that groundbreaking solution that our users may be lacking. Our brainstorming team pondered hard to obtain extraordinary ideas and solutions for our problem statement, which is how we can connect people to a safe water source in a feasible way.
The video further ahead has been divided into 3 parts, the first being mind mapping, which includes our team's brainstorming session. The second part is the voting session, where our team members prioritize the numerous solutions by giving them votes. And at last we have result and analysis, which includes discussion on the best ideas obtained from the latter 2 sessions.
Mind mapping is a powerful technique that helps everyone to visualize their thoughts and encourage to draw a connection between different sets of ideas, and thus enables us to see the big picture in a single glance. These features make the mind maps an ideal tool to present information to others, create knowledge pools, and solve complex problems. Mind maps are visual diagrams used to represent words and ideas linked to a central keyword, in our case the problem statement, that is, unsafe drinking water or access to a safe drinking water source. Mind mapping involves the following process. The middle of the board consists of the problem statement, which is then linked to ideas by drawing lines from central statement. This is done for each and every ideator, making a complete branch system.
Before we jump into how we carried out our mind mapping session, I would like to introduce you to Miro. Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard. But wait, it's not that simple. It's a platform where teams can come up together and hold meeting, brainstorming sessions and whatnot. It has some terrific features which made it the perfect tool for us to get on and carry out the main step of our ideation process. Without any further delay, here's a short and concise overview at a complete 10-minute brainstorming session. On Miro, we gave our ideation team their individual spaces linked to the main problem statement and let their ideas run out in the wild. To bring out the best of the ideas, it was really important to give both the introverts and extroverts of the team an equal footing, and this was the best way to carry it out. Within a time limit of 10 minutes, every ideator was provided with sticky notes to note down their ideas. And after noting down 4 to 5 ideas, every ideator was made to elaborate and branch out any one of these ideas. They thought that was the best. Within this stipulated time period, every member's participation and activeness can be seen through the names blinking besides their cursors. After the completion of 10 minutes, the empty whiteboard was filled with some amazing ideas given by our ideators. To have a mutual consensus and carry out a smooth voting session, we used Benovative, a website where teams can list down their ideas and vote them on a scale based on feasibility and impact. It has several parameters, factors, and statistics which grade ideas given by each and every team members in the most informative way possible.
After each and every member had listed down their ideas, they could see their peers' ideas mixed with their own in the following space. This is an impact feasibility graph where every member had to drag and drop each idea according to its feasibility and impact in any of the respective squares. The graph is divided into 9 squares, which were plotted with more than 40 plus ideas by every team members, and combined data turned out as follows. The scale shows the ideas as color blobs. Benovative has this amazing 3D infohedron which concisely states various statistics such as average ideas per person, total ideas, number of ideators, and much more.
At end of the complete voting process, it was clear to us which were the most visible and impactful ideas given and supported by all the ideators. We selected on the 3 best solutions and they are as follows.
A simple but really impactful idea was to develop a website or an app where people can scan QR codes available at a nearby water source, which would help them to know if the water they are about to access is safe or not. This will help people by connecting them to a database where information such as last date of maintenance, various water reports, and the water quality will be available at their fingertips with the help of a single QR code.
This idea aims to launch a platform which links its user to a fast and responsive rapid team of a water management institution. This also means that people can rely on a safe water source which is just a click away to be delivered to them. Though this idea may be a lot complex to implement, but it is one of those ideas which can have a good impact once carried out in a later phase with some boost.
Even though a bit complex, this idea was able to make its way to the top because of its uniqueness and creativity. The aim of this particular idea is to launch a flagging software that could be the best suited solution for every user, which would not only enable them to see the water quality based on location, but they can also let others know if the water at that specific source is safe to consume or not. by simply placing a flag or a beacon. In this interactive interface, users will have two flags, a red and a green flag. The number of either of these flags at a location would help determine the threat level and the water quality of that source. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please drop a like below and do mention your valuable insights in the comment box.